So have you noticed there is a current shift in mockups that are being showcased on high profitable products? If you have been on Etsy for a long time, like I have been, you know that there are certain mockups that have been traditionally just the winners. And we can automatically see those type of mockups. But currently over this last couple of months, I was able to identify that there is a new spike, a new interest in regards to these new mockup styles. And if you have not been gaining sales with your products, I would encourage you to reanalyze your mockups to make sure you are using the proper ones that are currently trending and currently being purchased on Etsy. Welcome back to the channel, my friends. If you're new to here, my name is Jay. I teach how to create and scale your business with Etsy utilizing some AI tools. And I've created an AI generation tool that will help you build high quality designs without using long paragraph prompts. This is my custom built tool with inside of my Etsy membership community where you get coaching, courses, daily trends, and a ton of more things. If you want to get access to that and learn just not how to use this tool, but scale your business to make sales with real-time strategy, I would encourage you to join my Etsy membership community and start scaling your business today. All right, so there's definitely a shift in regards to how we showcase our designs in our mockup photos. Like for those who are selling tumbler wraps, those selling coffee mugs. But if you're in the design space with sweatshirts or t-shirts or even with PNG designs, I believe this should be something we should look at and gravitate to because there is a current shift. And if you have been around Etsy for a while, you know that these particular design styles for the mockups have been popping up and have been doing extremely well. There's always been a big debate upon which mockup worked well. Is it flat lays or is it real persons in the mockups? And I honestly think both can do well. But when it comes down to your first listing photo, it's all about showing your product clearly and communicating key value points. And here is the mockup trend that I see have done extremely well. Now, I'm personally using this type of style in my own PNG shop, and it has done extremely well for me. But just having this mock-up photo alone is not what's going to help you gain sales. You can have all the great mock-ups and all the great designs, but one of the critical things you definitely want to have on your mock-up photo is some type of text that communicate key value points. I can't tell you how many shops on Etsy that are trying to grow as brand new shops with brand new listings are trying to really stop that scroll, but you can get lost in the sauce, if you will, because again, there's a lot of product photos that look the same. But if you can simply put text on your designs, communicating either free shipping or great shipping or fast shipping, or communicate that you offer free products, if you are creating PNG designs, that can be the small difference that can make a major difference in your shop. So yeah, definitely make sure you reanalyze your mockup photos, follow the current trends of what is doing well, but also make sure that you are going above and beyond on what the rest of the listings are doing and be that one listing that communicate a key value point. Now, again, there's a lot of things we can do to add in specific text on our products, but an easy way to know what to put on your text in regard to your mockup photo is go to major shops, look at the reviews, look at what real people are saying after they purchase a product. And if you're in the print on demand space and go down and just study the reviews of multiple major shops, you'll see some consistent and continual responses like great shipping or fast shipping or great quality product or great design. It's always tied to either shipping or in some ways to quality. And same thing in regards to if you're selling a PNG design, you can see the same type of consistency in the response of customers. Like easy to get the file or easy to use or great quality or printed out well. That again goes to deliverability, but also goes to quality. And if you can simply put that on your mockup photos, you are getting one step closer to helping your shop outbeat that competition and start raking in sales. Now, here's the third part that most people forget. Etsy tells us that video mockups help people convert better with sales. That is what they have told us, and that is what I have tested, and that is what I am using. So I'm using this place called VidMock to help me take my already created mockup listings and convert them over into video with one simple click. And all I have to do here is just literally go back into one of my product photos that I have already made, copy that mockup photo and paste it into this program. And with their pre-prompts, it really makes it easy for me to get a video generation without having to tie two images together or really create images from scratch. I can use what's already on my Etsy listing and convert my high searchable and purchase products with my video mockups to push them even further. And this is a great place as well if you are trying to find mockups to use and you don't have any mockups for your listing. This is a great place to create them and also turn them just not into still mockup photos, but into live video mockup. So if you want to get access to all of this, make sure to leave all the links down in my description box below. And let me know in the comment section below, what product do you sell? And do you actually put text on your product to make it more visible, to make it more clickable? And check out this next video here where I share with you some top trends you should start focusing on Etsy today. As always, my friends, my name is Jay, and I will see you in the next video.